Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, guys. Today we are making some turned cornmeal Jamaican style. So in the pot we have the cornmeal with coconut milk or coconut cream with some Maggi seasoning, thyme and scallion. That's what in here, mom? So right here, guys, my mom.
Otherwise known as polenta.
Otherwise known as polenta. Hey, I'm a Jamaican. Me know about turned cornmeal. But my mom know of a new name called polenta. So right here, guys, she's stirring the cornmeal to take out all the lump and make sure everything is combined with the water, the coconut cream and the water, whatever water was in the pot. So after she stir out all of this to make sure there is no lump and there is no raw or powder, she's gonna pour some hot boiling water on it and let it cook. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support. So right here, guys, my mom is really putting her hand in this cornmeal to stir out all the lumps. Alright, guys, keep watching. So we're gonna make some sardine and some mackerel.
That's it. That's it.
So right here, guys, my mom is putting in the boiling water, and she's gonna turn on the stove on low so that the cornmeal can cook
For about half an hour.
So this is gonna cook for about half an hour, guys, because you have to make sure the cornmeal is well cooked, guys. You don't want no tummy yet, so we're gonna cover this and let it cook. Okay, guys, this is the green seasoning I'm gonna use to fry up the salt mackerel and the sardine or herring. So what is in here, guys, is some blend up scallion, some tomato, onion and garlic and sweet pepper. Over here is the salt mackerel, and right here is the sardine or herring. So guys, I'll be back, guys. Yes, guys, so right here, some coconut oil in the pot that I'm gonna fry up the sardine. Over there, I'm gonna do the salt mackerel. That's the pot that I cook the mackerel in, so I'm just gonna continue using that pot. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the seasoning. So I'm putting some onion. Okay, guys, I'm using 2 different spoons because you're putting 2 different proteins. So I'm gonna saute all the fresh seasoning. Before I put the sardine and the mackerel. So guys, there you go. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put some paprika. So the same powder seasoning I put in this, the mackerel, I'm putting in the sardine. So that's some paprika. And I'm putting some garlic powder. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Guys, for the sardine, you don't need a lot of seasoning because sardine already come pre-cooked, pre-seasoning, so it doesn't need a lot of powder seasoning. And some black pepper. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the sardine in the pot. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support. So guys, you just put everything in the pot. Because the powder seasoning is already in the pot, so you just stir it up. Just turn it and let it cook down. So now I'm gonna put the mackerel. So guys, this is salt mackerel. You have to boil this mackerel quite a few times before you cook it, before you fry it up. Because salt mackerel, as in salt mackerel, it's very salty. So you have to wash it and let it boil a couple of times. Well, yes it, and if it's still salt, you keep boiling it until you get rid of most of the salt or all of the salt. This is the sardine. Isn't that beautiful, guys? This is gonna go well with the turned cornmeal called, what mom? Polenta. So you're gonna go well with the polenta / turned cornmeal. But this is for all the salt mackerel lovers and the sardine lovers. Okay guys, there go my mom. Looking at the turned cornmeal, turning it up to make sure it's steaming and cook well before we eat it. So guys, please make sure your cornmeal is cooked well before you eat it, or else you probably will get some belly pain or cutting in your belly. You just stir it up, guys. Make sure there is no lump. So there you go, guys.
And the next time they see it, it will be in a plate.
Next time you see it, it will be in a bowl, a dish where we're gonna, I guess I'll show you guys what we're gonna do with it in the dish. So you can, when you're ready to eat it, you just cut it with a knife. See you back, guys. Okay guys, for dessert we're gonna have bread pudding. Guys, sorry, we won't be able to tell you how to make the bread pudding, but that's our dessert. Okay guys, there you go. There is the herring finished / sardine. So that's the herring finished. And for those who know, this is sardine, and the mackerel, the salt mackerel, it's all finished, guys. So now guys, we're gonna turn off the stove and the boat pot. Okay guys, there goes the cornmeal going into the baking dish. Sorry about the microwave, guys. There you go, guys. That's the process. Okay, guys. There goes the cornmeal slash polenta. All done. So, guys, so later when we're gonna eat this, guys, we're gonna cut it with a knife and slice it like pudding or whatever. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you will receive it. Thank you so much for your support, and may God continue to bless you. Until next time.